Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 12. So this works, by the way, also with the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max as well with the Mini. Okay, so what we need for are the buttons. So the power button and the volume up button. So press these both buttons now for short for the same time and you will have a screenshot. One more time, the power button and the volume up button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you're able also to edit a picture, like cropping a part of it, maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And also you can draw something inside if you want. And yeah, here on this, with this icon, you can share it directly, maybe by WhatsApp and so on, or you can save it here directly to your gallery or to the files as you want. Let's save it here to the photos. This is what I would recommend to you. And where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the photos. And if we're scrolling down here, we will have here an own folder just for the screenshots. And here is my screenshot and the one I've edited. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.